In a world without haircut reservations, an app stands a cut above the rest. Now introducing Hairbook Plus, brought to you by Group 11, consisting of Jonathan Brem,
Michael Hurtado,
Rialta Katorich,
Mariana Reininger,
Angelo Lombardo.
Hairbook Plus is a mobile application that will allow customers to book hair service appointments based on your local locations and preferences. Here's some background information on our app. Our app's target audience is the hair grooming community, which includes hairstylists and their clients who all commonly use their phones. These hairstylists and customers, they want to have a good app to help them organize their appointments because current booking apps are not meeting standards. Our local hairstylists require a license and a high school diploma, in addition to customer service skills, which will help them utilize this app. Our local audience is located here in Orlando, which allows us to get specific information about hair salons and barbershops in the area that help the development of our app.
Moving on from background information, we made changes based on feedback. We learned that similar apps are being inefficient since they are hard to use. We are trying to help customers feel confident using our hair booking app. For that reason, we have an app that it is easy to use and has a uniform design. Also, we are lowering the fees that hair stylists need to pay in comparison to other apps. And about the novelty of this app, similar apps exist in the market. However, our app is fixing the errors that customers complain about the other apps. Our closest competitors are Booksy, Vagaro, and Setmore.
Now moving on to our main task. The main task that the UX design team chose to model for our app is active scheduling appointments for hair services. It showcases several featured key values of the app, such as ease in selecting different appointment services. This also showcases the capability of the app having the option quick booking an appointment, or also being able to make detailed choices within your appointment. Now moving on to the voiceover demo.
For the first step, select the Hairbook app from the bottom of the home screen. Then select the account button. The user then can select what kind of services they're looking for, and if the services will send the user to a next page. The app will show a calendar so the user can select a date for the appointment. For the purpose of this demonstration, they have to select date 15. Then you have the date and time page. The user will need to select a time slot with the green button. Selecting any others will result the app going to the error page. Then the app will show a list of hair salons which includes rating, distance, and also a small picture. You can click for more details or also to quick book. For the next step, the user will select the first location, which is Hair by Kate, and then you can get more details in there, or also you're able to schedule an appointment from that screen. Also, you can go back to the main list and schedule the appointment there. After scheduling the appointment, the app will redirect them to the confirmation page. That will show information about the upcoming appointments such as date, time, location, including the complete address and the hair technician assigned for your appointment if chosen. The confirmation page will ask the user if they prefer to pay online or in the store. If the user selects to pay online, the app will ask the user for their credit card information. Finally, the app will show the user a thank you page, which will include a reminder option so the user can set an alarm to get reminded of their appointment. Also, this feature is under construction.
While designing our application, we came across a few key challenges that taught us some very valuable lessons. A good example of this is the order in which the user takes to book an appointment. We had to design this in a way that made the most sense to the user, since they have the option to choose the date, the service, and the location that they want to attend. This taught us the importance of efficiency as well as thinking about the user when designing an application. Another issue we ran into was that there was less demand for the application than we initially expected. Many people are not as heavily concerned with their grooming as others, so while it was difficult to find feedback, it taught us to listen very carefully to those few people that would actually use the application. Not only this, but it taught us to brainstorm ideas for features that would bring users that wouldn't normally use the application to then come use it.